What we are about to show you can be very dangerous if you do not know what you're doing. We have the tools, technology, and skill level to safely fast charge our battery this way. What would normally be handled by the computers in the way of monitoring cell voltage levels and battery amperage levels is now closely being monitored by several people. If you are not aware of the risks that are involved, please do not try this at home.
Oh hey, what's going on? We are fast charging, DC fast charging our car with a new power supply that we have here at Hypercraft. Yeah, I'll show you what's going on. So here I'm actually remote desktop into the car because we have a mini PC in the car. So I'm just watching on AMCal all of my cell voltages for all my BMS systems. So those are all my BMS groups, just making sure that the voltages don't fluctuate too high. And once I get to kind of 4.1, I'm gonna come over here to the screen. And then this is a 100 kilowatt power supply. We're only just topping the battery up at a 40 kilowatt right now, or sorry, 30 kilowatt, 40 amps. I've set my limit to 795 for voltage. That's when it's kind of gonna stop. Once I get to 4.1, I'm gonna dial it down a bit. Then we're gonna just slowly put the power back. We're gonna cut the kilowatts in half. And then every time we get from 4.1 to 4.15 volts, then we cut it in half again until we get up to that 4.2 fully charged. Because with a battery, once you ram it full of power, and if you were to just shut it off, all the voltage will kind of sag and settle. So we just slowly trickle it at the end to make sure that it's topped up. So I'll show you how we have it hooked up to the car. So this normally plugs into our little Pelican case kind of off-board charger that we have. That's only our level 2, the 6.6 kilowatt one. So I just made a little jumper harness. This basically closes my contactors in the car, in the HVJB. And then as you can see, it's plugged into the charge port at the back of the car. And that's one of the ways that we fast charge the SCR1. Thanks for watching.